Hi guys, I'm gonna show you how you can create your own lab to practice RHEL9 RHCSA exam at home. Uh, First of all, you create your account on Red Hat site, and you will use the same credential to book your exam and to log into that exam. Okay, remember it and save those credential. And I once you log into your account on the Red Hat site, you have to download RHEL9 ISO. Okay, so this is what I did, and once you are done with downloading the ISO, what you have to do, you must have installed VMware Workstation. Okay, this is what I assume. So once you open your VMware Workstation, so over here you have to hit this button, new virtual machine. Okay, so in my case, my workstation is Pro 16. Okay, VMware Workstation Pro 16. So once you hit that, it says that typical or custom, which choice you want to select. I hit typical, it's recommended. So next, and then I have already put my ISO uh, in this directory. Okay, so in your case you can download, and wherever you want to put in your system you put it, and then you have to browse it. It's already showing up because I have already created machines, and this path is already there. So this path is already there, and that is why it's showing up. So I it says that I will start the operating system later. You can select this option, but in my case, I would suggest that usually I select it here. Okay, so once you select it, it will be highlighted. Then you have to hit next button, and you have to make a selection here, Linux. So then you have to drop down, go to this, and select uh, Red Hat Enterprise Linux RHEL 9, version 9. But in my case, it at that time only uh, 8 version were available, so I didn't have that option. So I just selected this one. So it still works. Okay. So here you can give the name to your machine, like server 1. Okay, whatever name you want, VM1, you can give VM1 also. VM1, you can give node 1. It's up to you. You can give any name to your machine, and then here you can see like is VM1. Okay, here you can see that this is the path where all the machines uh, files will be stored. Okay, so you can give the path of your choice also. Okay, but by default it's there, so I don't want to change it. So next, and here you can give the hard disk size. If you have plenty of resources on your laptop, you can give accordingly, or minimum 20 to 30 you should give to this machine. Okay, so and then I usually select this option, so better select this one, and then go to next. Here again you can customize the resources like CPU, like memory. Okay, so everything you can check here. If you're satisfied, it's okay, otherwise you can change at this point and then close it, and then you can hit finish, right? But I don't want to create this machine, it takes time. This once you hit finish, the way I have shown you, it will automatically start building new machine, and it will pick that ISO to install OS on the machine. Okay, so then again you just have to follow the prompts, and it will take around, I mean, 20 minutes approximately, and machine will be ready. And one more thing I just want to show you. I just don't want to create the machine. I have just shown you the uh, method. Okay, so one more thing is coming into my mind that yeah, so one thing I would suggest you, because when create this machine and you have to install some packages, it always says that register yourself with Red Hat, and that sometimes that costs you some money. If you don't want to do that, still you can uh, help yourself creating local yum repository. How you can create that, I just tell you how you can do that. Okay, just like this is a machine. Go here, go to settings. Once you once you are here, you know what you do, just select your CD. Okay, this is the CD which you have already attached to your machine while creating that machine. So once you select this, and you should hit this button also, they both will be you're connected in that case. So if you want to create your local yum repository. Okay, so in my case it's already done. You have to connect both the buttons, just check them, both the boxes, and then hit OK. Okay, once you are done with that, I show you what would happen. Here is another machine. Here I want to show you that what would happen. Okay, this is a user I have already created, and I have given it to sudo part to this user. So I just wanna do ls blk. Okay, so this is the ISO which we have already attached. This is the ISO. Okay, so I can show you that if it is mounted. Yes, this is a directory, media directory. You know, this is available in your system already, and I have mounted this ISO slash dev slash sr0. You once you run this command lsblk, you will see, like, sr0. In your case it could be sr1. Okay, but if you see this kind of thing, it means that's your ISO. Okay, so you have to mount it like running this command sr0 and then media, like this. And once you hit it, it will get mounted. And if it is not root user, then you have to put this also, provided you have given sudo part to that user. Okay, so once this is done, what you have to do next, I show you one thing. You know that, guys, this is a uh, path where your yum local yum sorry, I made a mistake, I missed t here. So this is the path where your yum local yum repositories are available. Okay, so I have already created this. Let me show you this here. I My repo. Okay, so what I have done here, you just hit, these scare bracket, and you can give any name to your local yum repository. I mean this part, and because we have app stream and base in there. Okay, so you can give any name. I have given application, then base URL because we are taking packages and from the file. uh, so that is why I have put this here, file. If you are taking from, I mean, Red Hat, then you have to give that URL here. So file, and then three slashes, because one is for this directory, this path. I showed you media, right, slash media. So under slash media there is app stream also, and you have to put the spell same. Okay, capital A and then capital S, and then enabled, yes. GPG check, I don't want GPG check, so I put 0, and then second part, base OUS. Okay, so same way you have to do this to create your yum local repository. So once you have done this, I will show you that one more thing. Yes, I forgot to show you one thing. uh, you can copy this, copy, and I just show you one thing. Look here, this is AppStream and base OS. That is why we have put separately in that file. This is what I wanted to show you. Okay, so once I have already done creating that file, so after that I want to show you that you can run this command yum repo all. Okay, so once, sorry, I need to put this thing, yum, spell mistake, yum repo list all. Okay, so guys, here you can see that this, though this is the repository, we gave this name. Okay, so this is here and it should be enabled. So this is how you can set your local yum repository using the ISO image, and uh, if you do this, you will not have to register your system with Red Hat. Okay, so and this will help you to uh, do practice at home for your exam. One more thing, secondly, another thing, once you do this thing, and once you power off your machine, only you have to do, you will have to mount that ISO again. Okay, the way I showed you, how it is mounted, the same way you have to remount it. Okay, every time you reboot it, and it will get unmounted. Okay, so you have to mount it back. This is the only thing you have to do every time. Otherwise you will not be able to install packages or anything, and you will see that what's going on, why it's not working. So this thing you have to remember, mount it back once you restart machine and machine is on, powered on, then you have to mount that ISO back on slash media. Okay, this is how you can create your local lab, and this is how you can create your local yum repository, and you can do practice at home. I hope this information will help you. Okay, bye guys.